Have fun decorating. Set of 2 frosting bulbs with 6 stainless steel piping tips. Have fun decorating cookies, cakes and cupcakes. Great for adding icing to your treats. High-heat silicone bulbs are microwave safe up to 600° F for heating toppings. Fill the frosting bulbs with icing or warm ganache before piping. 6 different piping tips. Set of 6 piping tips include closed star, French tip, leaf, basket, small circles and large circles. 3/4 cup capacity. Frosting bulb can be used in the microwave. Holds approximately 3/4 cup. Dishwasher safe. Store tips inside the bulb when not in use. Dishwasher safe.